first game, we'll say, so to speak, that we're going to play today is that if you had to put your oncologist or your top oncologists on Mount Rushmore, who have been the most influential to you?
First, let me start with Larry Einhorn. Larry Einhorn is, of course, this legendary physician, closely followed, by, Joe Sperano. Joe Sperano is a Bronx legend, where I work. And I had a chance to meet, Joe when I was actually interviewing for a fellowship at Montefiore. I didn't take the fellowship position he offered, me, but later on I rejoined him at Montefiore, worked side by side for 10 years. I also have to put, my dear old boss, Roman Perez-Soler, on that Mount Rushmore, who established New York Lung, the best meeting, for thoracic oncology, around the planet, let me say. And on top of that, he introduced excellent cancer care to the patients of the Bronx, ran the department for 20 years, and was the best boss to me. So, let me put, Brian Drucker on there, because although I've never met him, but his incredible early discoveries in terms of Gleevec, CML.
Is there anybody else?
Two friends on the list.
Yeah.
They will be on Mount Rushmore. So I put Shirjga and Hasbor Guy on that list. Both great colleagues who've been just so consistently helpful, productive, collaborative, for the entire thoracic oncology field. So Hassan Shivish will be on Mount Rushmore soon.
No, that's it. We'll make sure we send them this video
Yes.
afterwards.
Surely some giants of cancer care right there.
That's right.